Hello guys, welcome to another grand interesting video on your Leansimcorp channel. And in this today's video, we are going to create an industrial tote and a workbench. Okay, so let us start creating that. And I don't know with what I'm going to begin. Okay, but probably it should be something great. Okay, so let us do that and check it out what we're going to make today. Okay, so let me just adjust the frames. Okay, and just creating a rectangle. Okay, created a rectangle. Let us make this bigger, right? Let us extrude this. Okay, here is our tote map in terms of box. Okay, so most probably now what we are going to do is let us create another offset, or you can say edge to edge step, right? Here is the what I can say go, and then the offset, and here I put in an offset, right? And then we go this, right? See, you can just do this way and on. I'm just making this except now for, and we're just digging it down. Okay, we're just digging it down slowly going down. Okay, here we have it. So here we have our tote. I'm just removing the conditions, just like a bathtub type thing, right? You can put in the parts in this and transfer. Now again, this is quite thicker. You can reduce the size of this as per your requirement, right? But this is our industrial tote which has been created. You can customize it multiple times, right? But for the time being, let us give some styles to it. Materials, shadow scenes, displays, 3D warehouse, no components, entity information, paper material, back gas, and just like that. Let us put our materials, 3D printing, or something we have. So if I just use this, creating a workbench, or similarly can be a tote. So here we have this, coloring it, right? Okay, here we are having this tote being colored. We can have roofing, tiling, boards and stuff like that, but that will not just work on as of. We'll do that for the workbench. Okay, so here is our tote which is already ready. We can directly have this 3D model imported, transfer it for using your materials. If you look in the entity information, right, you can see the area and all the stuffs like that, small areas stuff, right? Here is, you see everything has been visible. So this is our what I can say industrial tote you can use in, and it's fully looking quite great, right? Here it is. Now let us create a workbench side to this, right? Create a workbench side to this. So creating another rectangle, right? Let's make this somewhat bigger. Let us make this bigger. Right. This is looking quite big. Let me just delete this and let us make a square-like thing, somewhat like this, right? Yes. And then let me just extrude this. Okay. Here it is. I'm just creating now another thing that is offset from this. Okay. That is how this, and then we'll just push it down Okay, I'll just push it down. Something has been happened. Yes, I need to make this smaller. Yeah, okay, now it looks quite good. Okay, so we are creating our workbench. Okay, more or less just like a reception, been almost done.